All right, if you open Tinfoil and nothing shows up, no games, no shop, just empty pages. Yeah, that's a super common issue right now. In this quick guide, I'll walk you through the fix that usually restores everything in just a few minutes. So this normally happens when the shop data fails to sync, the cache gets corrupted, or the source connection stops updating after an app or system update. The good news is we don't need to reinstall anything. First, launch Tinfoil and open the Settings menu from the sidebar. Just scroll down slowly until you see the Settings option. Inside Settings, look for the option to clear cache or reset data. Go ahead and clear the cache. This removes broken loading information without deleting your setup. Next, head over to the File Browser or Shop Sources section. Here, refresh or reload your source list, so Tinfoil downloads updated game data again. Now completely close Tinfoil. Yeah, fully exit the app, then open it again. This forces the database to rebuild and usually brings everything back. If the screen is still empty, quickly check your internet connection in System Settings. Even a small connection issue can stop the shop from loading. Once you relaunch Tinfoil, go back to the New Games or Shop section. You should now see games loading normally again instead of blank pages. And that's it. Simple fix. No reinstall needed. If this video saved you some time, feel free to bookmark it for later. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next guide.